Hi, I'm Jim Juback, and welcome to my YouTube video for Thursday, July 6th. Before we go any further, I have to draw your attention to my peonies. These are the biggest peonies I think I've ever seen. They came from that floral specialty store known as Trader Joe's. They were the last bunch this color. Before they opened up fully, they were a dark blood or even darker red, and now they've gotten gradually pink. I don't know, as I get older, and simpler things tickle me more. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we're doing our next one. We're doing about 3 a week, but not always on the same day. As you can tell today, we would normally be doing a Wednesday, but because of the holiday, we're doing it Thursday. If you subscribe, you get notification of when the next one goes up, and it's free to subscribe. If you want more free stuff, you can go to my free site. That's jubackpicks.com. That's got 3 portfolios for 5-year, 12 to 18 months and dividends. You can go to my paid site. That's jubackam.com. That's got 6 portfolios, including some options and ETFs. And right now, the great thing about the paid portfolio is that because it's the 50th anniversary of my mustache and we're extending that sale, we started last month, I'm going to go run it through July, you can get a year's subscription to that site for only $99, 50% off instead of $199. You can go to the paid site and try to subscribe. And if you have any difficulty, always email us. We're very, very proud of the great customer service that my tech guy, Mark Silverman, provides. Call out Mark, who's on vacation for the next 2 days, but still answering emails to let people in. So if you have any glitch subscribing, please let us know. We'll work through any glitch known to man and very, very quickly. So that's the spiel for today. Now let's get on to some stock picking stuff. Okay, so today's topic is investing in inflation. It's not investing during inflation. That's investing to be safe from inflation. It's investing where you've got a chance to make a profit because of inflation. Okay, so on Saturday, so this is the Saturday before the 4th of July, I went shopping. What I was thinking, I don't know. So I was going to there's a sort of vertical shopping center development here, 116th Street and the FDR Drive. It's got a Target and a Costco. So I went to Target and Costco. Costco was an incredible mob. I mean, I've never seen a line as long. There were lines all the way from the cash registers back to the meat section and beyond. I think we're up to 117th Street. I didn't buy anything at Costco because the line was just too long. And the Yogi Berra expression, which is that nobody goes there anymore, it's too crowded, comes to mind. But anyway, so it was crowded. I didn't buy anything. I went to Target. I didn't buy anything at Target either, but for a totally different reason. The store was basically, well, not empty, but very sparsely populated. So were the shelves. I couldn't find anything that I wanted because there was no inventory for all kinds of stuff. And the difference, I think, between those two stores is that Target does indeed sell groceries, but it doesn't have the kind of groceries that Costco does. I mean, at Costco, what people were doing was buying, huge carcasses of ribs for their barbecue. If you look at the charts for these two stocks, you see a very big difference because of inflation. This is Costco on the top, and this is Target down the bottom. And what's really has happened since May is they've diverged really rapidly. And that's because Costco is pulling in a tremendous number of shoppers looking to save $1 or $2 or $3 or $4 on food, which is a basic, as opposed to Target, where what we're seeing is people saying, well, I can kind of put off buying XYZ. So one of the things that's happening in inflation right now is that while the headline rate, that's the all items inflation rate, is going down. We're down to about 4.3, as I remember. The core rate is not sinking very fast at all. core rate includes food and energy. It includes the food that people are buying at Costco. So here we've seen inflation come down only to 5.3% in May. That's still down from 5.5 in April, but we're still above 5%. And I think people are really feeling the crunch. They're looking to save money. And the stock pick I'm going to give you in my video tomorrow is a way to make money on that. But the other thing I would say is I own Costco in my portfolio. I own it right now, even though the economy is slowing, because I'm still looking to see them raise the membership rate, which I think is coming sometime soon. The idea that you have to pay money to become a member of Costco, to buy at Costco, to go shopping at Costco, is really a tribute to how valuable this shopping experience is to people, especially at this time. So I think after raising the membership fee, I think there's a good possibility for seeing a hike in the dividend or a big one-time dividend payout. So I'm holding Costco for that. I also own Walmart. I think I'm probably going to sell that because I don't get the same good feeling about that company in an inflationary environment and slowing economy. And I'm going to add a stock in tomorrow's video which plays this directly. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. A little tease for tomorrow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we do our next one. Next one is tomorrow. And if you want more of my stuff, you can go to my free site that's got 3 portfolios, including the one that's got Costco in it and the one that'll have tomorrow's pick in it. Or you can go to my paid site, that's jubekam.com. That's got 6 portfolios instead of the 3 on jubekpicks.com. We're running a 50% sale on membership in the Jubek AM subscription site in honor of the 50th anniversary of my mustache. So if you want to do that, it's a great time to get the best of all those portfolios. So we hope you subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you had a great 4th.